what it is, kids. I know you probably don't recognize me anymore. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and let you kids know that I was, your cash cow is fine here in Carmel by the Sea, California, where it's currently sunny and a high of like 80 degrees today. Sucks to be me. All jokes aside, I just got in a huge fight with Alexa. She wouldn't shut the fuck up. My God. Anyway, kids, your cash cow has been well. I was just gonna let you know what I've been up to, which is a whole lot of stuff. I'm having computer problems. I'm just kidding. I think I've mastered the fucking editing and Camtasia software. I don't know if you guys have watched any of my videos on the Brain Dance channel, but you should. Some epic shit. Nobody's watching. But I'm not giving up on it. Just like I'm not giving up on this or giving up on you. Basically, I don't even know when's the last time I made a video for Silent Cash Cow. It's been over a month, I think. But basically, since my last video, I got an email from Clickbank. And this, I just want to reiterate why I hate Clickbank. They suspended my account because I had, I guess, 2 chargebacks or whatever. I showed you guys one of them. But why is that my problem? That's exactly why I hate Clickbank. I mean, I don't know. It ended up, what, 2 or 3 refunds or what have you. But again, that's not my problem. That's frickin' Clickbank's problem, and Bobby Blanchard, or Robbie Blanchard, whatever the hell his name is, with Commission Hero. That's his frickin' deal, not mine. So anyway, guys, they basically told me, I actually searched for the email for like the last 30 minutes trying to find what they actually sent to me. Let me turn this around real quick. Not that it matters. Oh, maybe I can't. Well, I'll show you in a second. I'll edit it. I'll edit this shit. But anyway, so that kind of threw me off a little bit. And then Google, they suspended my account. For what? I have no frickin' idea. Again, that's why I don't normally advertise on Google. I mean, I don't know if you guys have experienced anything or if you've been trying to run ads, but this affiliate marketing thing is, for one, it's so oversaturated, and I am so sick and tired of seeing all these clickbait videos, clickbait, I said, and Clickbank. Just all these guys that they don't show you anything of how they created the money that they generated. They don't, it's just, I got sick of it, and I'm still sick of it. So I basically have gotten back into what I know how to do very well, which is build websites and make them profitable and flip them and what have you. So I've been working on that. Bitcoin, that's haven't made any money on that. I think I've lost like $80, but I don't have much invested, like $1,000 or something like that. But it'll come back. And then what else have I? Well, I've been mainly working on the Brain Dance channel, and that's taken a lot of my time, and it's actually really fun. I love creating videos, as much as the problems that I've had in the past, but I figured it out, and it's just my computer. It has nothing to do with anything else, and I just don't want to get a new computer right now. So yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. Obviously, I'm still doing affiliate marketing, but I'm certainly not doing affiliate marketing with Clickbank. Basically, I haven't really been promoting anything. Actually, I just recently started promoting a product that I had promoted like 3 or 4 years ago that did really well. I've had a couple sales, but nothing great. It's like $50 or something like that. But I just wanted to make this video and let you guys know that I was okay and well here in beautiful Carmel by the Sea, California. And what I wanted to ask though was, what do you guys struggle with as far as making money online? Because you know I've done it all, and I'll make a video on whatever you guys want, an in-depth video showing you how to make money online. Just tell me what you guys want me to make in the comments down below, and I'll make it for you guys. I really want to do a video on Kartra and how easy it is to make a website, and their affiliate program is off the charts. I think I've made, I can't flip it around right now to show you guys because I just have it on me, the camera, and for some reason I can't, it won't let me click over. Anyway, but yeah, I made like $3,500 I think so far with them. That's over a year, but I haven't been promoting it probably since, I don't know, November. I mean, I've spent $20 here on ads, $20 here, $20 there, but I'm generating, $600 a month every month, and have been for the last 4 or 5 months with no promotion. So just know, guys, that the affiliate marketing, it still works, and you guys can promote Clickbank all you fucking want, but you're not going to see any more videos on that shit from me. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to say hello and hope you guys have all been well during these crazy frickin' times, to say the least. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you guys, what video you guys want me to make. I can show you how to make money. You just gotta tell me what you want me to make. So anyway, I hope you guys have all been well. I'm still waiting on the sponsorship. And by the way, I don't know if you guys can't really tell, but I'm holding true to my promise. I told you I wouldn't get a haircut until I got 4,000 watch hours, and what is it, 1,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna be looking like Jesus here soon. You guys can't really tell, but my hair is fucking long. So anyway, again, guys, I hope you all have been well, and let me know down in the comments below what video you want me to make, and I'll make it for you guys. All right, peace, love you all, take care, out of here.